Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this spiral balloon column without using a stand. But first of all, let's go through the list of items that I'm going to use. I'll now start inflating my balloons and creating pairs. Each pair contains the two shades of blue that I'm using in this column. And when creating spiral columns, I like sizing my balloons. And in this video, I just created a space between the wall and the table. I measured it; it's a 10-inch space. So I'm just passing the inflated balloons through the space and releasing any excess air. A column looks really beautiful when all the balloons are made of the same size. And for beginners, this point is very important because it will also help you not overinflate your balloons. I just don't want to imagine how the column would look if one balloon pops, and the major reason that makes balloons pop is overinflating. So please remember to size your balloons. The balloons you're using here are 12-inch balloons, so 10-inch space is okay. After that, I'm going to create clusters of balloons by intertwining two pairs of the balloons. Each cluster should contain 4 balloons. So now that you're creating a column without using a stand, I'm going to use a weight to serve as to give our column stability. So what I'm using here is just water inside a balloon that I'm going to tie on the first cluster that will be used as the base for our column. I'll tie the weight on the cluster and make sure it's on the lower side. The next thing I'm going to do is tie the ribbon around the first cluster. Now this ribbon is what we are going to use to tie all the clusters together to create the column. So when tying the ribbon, don't tie it too tight because it might tear a balloon and make it deflate. So the next thing I'm doing is placing the second cluster on top of the first one. Make sure you alternate the colors as seen in the video. In this way, the spirals will be very visible and very beautiful. So place the colors as shown in the video. Take the next cluster and place the colors alternating as shown in the video. Remember not to tie it too tight because ribbons are not balloon friendly. They might tear a balloon and make it deflate. So let's keep doing this. The next thing I'll do is blowing up the 32-inch balloon, which I'll use as the topper for the column. After blowing it, I'll tie the neck using a rubber band. I find using a rubber band easier and gentle on hands as compared to tying the balloon's neck. After tying the neck, I'm going to attach it to the column using the ribbon that's already in the column. The same ribbon that I've been using all along. So attach it well. Make sure you tie it well so that it looks like it belongs to the column family, because it does. This is not an outcast. So please tie it well. Make it hug the rest of the balloons well. Pass the ribbon around well, but remember not to pull it too tight because bursting one balloon will change the whole shape of this column, and that is something we don't want to happen. We've come too far. It has been a wonderful journey. We don't want to end our journey on a bad angle. And I'm now cutting off the extra ribbon, and yeah, we have our head there, we have our column. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video. See you on our next video. Bye.